Okay, today I'm going to do a review on the multi-part 6-in-1 tripod. It's great for vlogging, live videos, video chats, social media, and live streaming. Let's see what's in the inside. And it also has 36 inches of selfie-stick, which would be cool. I needed that because I got the Webuild S gimbal right here, and I got my Canon T7 mounted to that. And this is good for videos, pictures, and it also has a trajectory mode on it, which I just found out about that. But I needed me a selfie stick to be able to pull out on the go. And the inside it says desktop tripod. It also has a GoPro mount, a smartphone mount, a camera mount, a rechargeable wireless shutter remote, which that ought to be good to be able to take pictures with the shutter remote. I'm gonna see if that works for video as well, but I doubt it. But if it do, hey, good for me. Let's see. It also uses a selfie stick, which I seen that in the beginning. It says 36 inches. Now let's open this up and see what all comes in this package, baby. What we got here? That's the point where I need my trusty little knife. Let's see. Bottom. I ain't doing no cutting on the video. I want you all to see everything from the beginning, just in case you all decide to go and buy this, or in other words, purchase this selfie stick. And I got this one out of Walmart. Like I said, it was $16 and some change. It right at $17. Let's see what comes inside the box. Couple directions as well. Get my gear right for my production company, man. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of editing and a lot of filming, a lot of picture taking. I travel all around the world, so I want to let you guys vicariously live through me. But it has a USB card. That's got to be for charging the little mount here. See, it comes with a ball head joint, but that's good. Okay, here we go. Open this up. Okay, I'm gonna imagine. Have to unloosen the ball head joint to actually get that selfie stick out. Let's see. Do we ever read directions? I don't think so. Okay, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, here we go. We have this is the mount for your phone. And you tighten up the ball head joint on the side, which is cool. And this is the little shutter release. This is where the USB goes. Now this is the first time fucking with this shutter button here. I usually let mine, when I take a picture with my iPhone, I usually just put it on timer. But this ought to be cool to have a selfie stick and be able to take pictures. So I'm gonna let this charge up. One of my chargers here. And we're gonna see how this works. Okay, lights up red, maybe light up green or blue whenever it's charged. And this is another joint. This is for a GoPro. This is a GoPro mount. And currently right now I don't have a GoPro. So yeah, most definitely, this is a GoPro mount. So that's cool too. All right, let's extend this out and see how far this extends out. It says 36 inches, so pretty good for pretty sturdy, like it's made of a hard aluminum. There we have it. I'm gonna get a couple of pictures with it, do a couple of videos with it, and I'll be back.
Why you